I'll miss you. Mom, let's play hide and seek. Oh, no. I'm not falling for this trick anymore. You are under 24/7 surveillance. I'm watching you like a hawk. Nancy! She disappeared yet again. Detective Mom is on the case. Whoops! Hi, bro! What's up? Help me hide! No, pretty please! Fine. Here. Thanks. I need something else. Can you help? So be it. What? Is this list endless? Thanks, bro. But who will help me? Hi, have you seen your sister? I haven't. Where is she hiding? It's Dad. Hi, fam. We're doing great. Where's Nancy at? Is she out? Nancy? I'll call her. Here she is. Sweetie, what's wrong with your hair? We did some style experiments. So cute. Gotta go. Bye. Phew. And now let's start the search. Special Agent Mark is on the ground. No more stunts. Time to set up the cameras. The key is to disguise them well. No one's gonna suspect a bear. And the last one on a dog ball. But the dog had something else planned. What's happening? Is Mark playing with dolls? Who would have thought? No, filming! Oh, my back is numb. I need a chair. Where could she be? I'll search under the couch. Yeah! A sock! I have been looking for you. Go to your sock buddies. Today was a good day. I'll keep on searching. No one's here. I need a break. Here's a chair, just as you asked. It's kind of plain. All right. I'll revamp it. Pink fur, check. And add some hearts. It's way cuter this way. Something's still off. My soft monsters. Now it's perfect. Nancy asked me to bring her makeup. A backpack. Great. What is this, though? This title looks more like a coat to me.
What?
Whatever. I'll grab everything. Mom, I'm in a rush. What is that? Hold on. What do you need a flat iron for? Making toast. Okay. What about the lipstick? It's for a disguise. Okay. Wax strips? Building up my willpower. Here! Why are you so mad? No one. Aha! Nancy, I found you! Whoops! Sorry for bothering you. That's not Nancy. Oops. There she is. Gotcha! Who are you? Have you seen my daughter? No? Whatever. This closet needs some upgrades. I'll decorate the table with lights. Place a lamp over here. And you can go here. Oh yeah! Start the surveillance! Seems like there's someone in the bathroom. Gotta check it. Nancy, is that you? Whoa! Hi, Mom. Come in. This place is pretty cozy. I love it. Nancy, are you okay? Mom is sleeping so tight. This will make you warmer. I need a shelf like this. Would you get the pieces? I see. I'll do my best. Thanks. Nancy? No one. Okay. Can she be here? Nope. I'll look somewhere else. I have an idea. Almost there. And done. Awesome. Now I have a spot for my plants. Let's add lights so it looks nice. Fabulous! Something is missing. Of course. I need to cool off. Cold soda is perfect. It's Nancy. What? Close one. Don't give me away. Hide under the stairs. Have you seen Nancy? No. That's weird. Nancy! Where are you? I'll find you. The vent. Nice. Nancy, you're busted. I'm coming for you. She's in the shower. Now you won't run away. Nancy! No one again. That's unbelievable. Phew! How should I get down now? Detective! Look! That's interesting. Now I know what to do. First things first, a search plan. The circle narrows down to these locations. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. Bed here. Of course! It all comes down to one spot, the closet. Gotcha! Whoops! Whoa! You did so much in here. Yeah! Here, take a look. I love it. Here are the boards. Whoops! Nancy's back! Oh, Mark! What did you make? Whoa! So beautiful! Thanks! Family, I'm home! What? Missing?